In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep for organizing your favorite recipes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, Google Keep can be an incredibly effective tool for storing and managing your recipes, making meal planning a breeze. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your Google browser and navigate to Google Keep by typing in keep.google.com in the address bar. It brings up Google Keep, your handy digital notepad designed for capturing ideas, tasks, and yes, even recipes. Once you've accessed Google Keep, locate the Google Apps icon, often represented by a small grid or set of dots in the upper right corner of your browser. Clicking on this icon reveals various Google services at your disposal. From the menu, click on Keep to open your notes. Now that you're in Google Keep, it's time to create a new list or note. This is where you'll start compiling your recipe collection. Simply click the Take a Note field or the New List button to begin. For each new recipe, we suggest creating a separate note, allowing you to manage and reference them with ease. Next, find a recipe you'd like to save. This could be anything you stumble upon while browsing your favorite food blogs or even traditional recipes you've digitized. After selecting your desired recipe, copy the URL from the address bar. Navigate back to your new note in Google Keep and paste the URL there. This ensures you always have quick access to the original source. Consider adding a title or a brief description of the recipe in the note to give it context and make it easier to find later. You might include the dish's name or the main ingredients. If you prefer, you can also manually type out the details of the recipe. Copy the name, ingredients, instructions, and any other information you'd like to keep. Then paste these details directly into the note field. This might take a bit of time, but having all the details at your fingertips is incredibly convenient. To further organize your recipes, use titles, categories, or additional notes. Think of categories like appetizers, desserts, or vegetarian to help quickly sort through your recipes. For those who want to take it a step further, consider using the Google Keep Chrome extension. Install it from the Chrome Web Store, and once the extension is active in your browser, you'll see the Google Keep icon in your toolbar. When you're on a recipe page, clicking this icon saves the entire page as a new Google Keep note instantly. It's a great way to grab a recipe with minimal effort. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive digital recipe library that's easily accessible from any device with internet connectivity. That wraps up our guide on using Google Keep for recipes. Happy cooking and thanks for watching.